In this video, I'm going to teach you how to access and create task-centered workflows in HubSpot. In order to do that, first head over to your automation and go to your workflows. With this, you can access all of the workflows that you have so far. You can either create a workflow or start from scratch right there. You can also just manage the workflows that you already have. On my case, let's create the workflow and let's start with a template. Let me head over and then choose right here this task. You can use this template right here. You're also free to start from scratch, and from in there you can just select the object type for this on the trigger enrollment. Now, on this case, you just need to add action, which is creating task and define the task details that you want added right here. Once you're done, you can proceed and review the details that you have so far and publish this particular workflow. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to sign up using our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.